I heard a voiceless scream coming from down the cliff. An aura of her suicide's manifold that never cared to happen. Botle bahai le bo reledi batlalo la hai mantswe a boso sedisam pelu ya high. You could swear that I was high. High not at the length of her stilettos nor her silky smooth legs. Ising bolelele baqola ya muriri wahai nor her silhouette hips and thighs. I thought I was sky high until I heard swallowed cries coming from down the graves, an inaudible echo that seemed to have lasted more than a glass shatter of a biological clock ticking for days. Or tlameha o lelingoloi ho bangwana o motleba ho tsoto was all that I could utter. Mete, obe o mete hape hape ho barato la hao sure is sweeter than the finest of wine. Ke o rolela khaibane. Ke bo tshwana batsela tlasa le batama, neglecting the hours of bitterly spat and spent slaving for her, all of her, appreciating her and submitting to her. Ke se ponono se le bala le le sehlana se happy sa pelo ya ka sona se reki sa maikutlo a ka ompea jwalo ka tiso pelong ya hae. See, her cheeks stood ablaze and single strands of veins her very neck had grazed, though sharply erased at the mere thought of separation. For it was never my intention to become enchanted by her perfume, nor was it my mission ho felwa ke matla ke lerato la hae, nor using my left arm as a pillow ho samela hloho ya hae kapa hona le letona to gently stroke her back rhythmically. Nkemele, wait for me, don't drift alone. Hoba hobana fahlo sa hao le hutlantswe la hao le mongobo la manyeloi hape shall set me alight. Going back and forth, to and fro, your beauty has had me mesmerized. Had I been one of the ancients, I would carefully tread upon the heels of my forefathers, take off my hat, put it to chest, and soberly confess. Kele kopo kopo ke a kopo sela ke metsi a pula ke a lelemela ke le polanka ke robe ha dikoto ke mabele ke a qhalana ke hloka motho. But seeing I'm only modern, I shall paraphrase 3 words. Nngwe, nne, tharo. Those the number of letters each word sub-contains. See, bana ba motho ba arolelana hloho ya tsiye, but yours is more precious than any jewel or gem, hence I want you only for myself. Placing you like a seal over my heart, I guess what I'm trying to say is I love you. That it makes me feel weak and my very strength evaporates like water in a summer's heat. I would like to tell you of how I spend sleepless nights thinking about you. Although I'd hate to have to lie to you, I sleep. But I can reassure you that you are my last thought before I falteringly fall victim to the melodious chants of predatory sleep. I sleep, but my heart lies wide awake. Just as smoke leaves its fire, though still burning. Just as smoke leaves its fire, though still burning.